in your phone means you'll be saving it along with my name because remembering the 10 numbers, it will be difficult. Suppose if you are going to store 10 members phone number means it will be difficult. So what we will be doing is we'll be storing it along with a name. Similarly, variable means it is a name given to a memory location where we will be storing the values. So values will be stored in a memory location and we will be giving a name to that memory location that we used to call it as variable. I'm creating a new class under the same package, right clicking on this one. So it is new. Class, naming it as variables. And I'm going to, as usual, I'm going to have a main method. So variable is name given to a memory location. Name given to a memory location. We have a syntax. Syntax is data type space variable name equals value. Suppose if it is a word, you have to represent it as string data type. If it is a single letter, you have to use character data type. If it is a number, we have int, float, and double. And if it is double and float are used to represent decimal values. If it is double means I can store up to 16 digits after decimal value. If it is float means I can store up to 8 digits after decimal point, and we need to add f at the end. If it is true or false result, we can use boolean data type. Depending upon what you are going to store, you can decide the data type. Depending upon what type of value that you are going to store, you can decide the data type. Now, I'm going to store a person details. I'm going to store a person detail. If it is name means, so we have to follow the syntax, right? So I'm just placing it here. I want to store their name. So it is having data type as string. So it is string n is equal to storing my name. And then I'm going to store my age. Age is of integer type. So it is integer age is equal to 30. And height I'm going to describe in points. So it is 152.5. And weight I'm going to describe in float. Float weight is equal to 62.5. F I have to add. Then favorite letter, character letter is equal to single quote that letter. Then boolean value, boolean result is equal to false. So these are the data, these are the variables we have. String variable, age variable, height variable, weight variable, and letter, the character variable, boolean variable. String alone, you can see it starts with uppercase. The reason is string is a class also. It has a dual task. It will act as a class as well as data type. It will act as a class as well as data type. Now, n is string variable, age is integer variable, height is double variable, weight is float variable, letter is character variable, and result is boolean variable. If you want to if you want to display this means, you can display like this. N, then we are going to display age, then it is height, then weight, then letter, giving it as letter, then result. Okay, so now if I run this one, the value that is stored inside N, that will be printed. The value that is stored inside age, that will be printed. So when I run this code, I'll be getting it as Divya 30, 152.5, 62.5, D and false. If you want to add any string before it, like sentence, if you want to have name is Divya, age is 30, height is 152.5, like that, if you want to have, that is also possible. So in double quotes, I'm giving name is, then age is, height is, weight is, letter is, result is. So if I run this code, I'll be getting like name is Divya, age is 30, height is this, weight is this, like that I'll be getting. So now you try to print your details in this way. Create a new class, have a main method, and declare your details and store your details in a variable and print it like this.
Okay.
Try it. I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Okay.
So you completed, huh? Once completed, let me know.
Okay. None?
Completed.
Completed.
So now do some calculations here. So here we just stored the values, right? If you want to perform any calculation means that is also possible here. Let's see how to do that. Suppose if you want to find out, let it be area of circle. Integer side is equal to 4. Then area of square is plus side star side. So side value will be replaced by 4 here. So what is the value that you have given for side? That will be replaced by 4. So similarly, you identify area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Then we find out area of triangle. Formula is half BH, half we cannot use it straightly. So it is 0.5 into B into H. Then area of circle. Formula is 3.14 star R star R. Then find average of three numbers. Declare three numbers and identify. Let it be A, B, C. The numbers are means A plus B plus C divided by 3. Try all these things using variables.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
yeah, can I share the screen?